What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I don't even know where to start, man. The freaking neighbor of the villa that we're renting for a week here in Croatia owns a freaking CB650, so you guys know we had to go for a ride. I was like, I had a CBR 650R before this, so we had the same engine, man, and all that stuff, so we kind of just like bonded pretty much instantly. And I asked him if he wants to go for a ride, and of course he said yes. So we're freaking doing it today, boys. I also told him that since I don't know these roads, I do want to take it a bit chill because obviously I can't have anything happen to me during the trip. He's just gonna take me to like some pretty nice spots or something. Woo! Oh hell yeah, bro! This dude's fucking nuts. We should hopefully hit up some nicer roads as well where we could have some fun, and if not, we're just gonna go to like a few good looking spots or something. Either way, it's gonna be a pretty dope ride. Hey, you can go. I don't know the roads. Oh, I don't like this road, man. There's like, I don't know, there's no really like asphalt. It seems like it's kind of like bare road. So hopefully he doesn't do anything crazy here because I don't think that would end too great for him. But he's local, man. He should know these roads. Oh, tight corner. If there would be like perfect asphalt here, I would not care. Yo! You're crazy, man. Seems like there's a few twisty roads and a little bit of a better asphalt. This guy's going pretty crazy. I don't know what to expect here, so I'm trying to like, I don't know, give myself a little bit of room just in case he goes like all out or something. If he would do a wheelie here and just like hit balance point, man, I just like coasted down. I don't know what I would have said, bro. Yo! Let's go. Honestly, his 650 freaking moves too, man. I forgot how quick those bikes are, man. It's been a while. That's fucking crazy, bro. Look at the nature, boys. Absolute beauty. He's showing his knee, bro. By the way, even on this road that I touched it, I'm better than you, bro. I mean, he's not wearing any gloves, so I mean, that's probably why he didn't do it. Either way, man, when we did those two, like, faster corners right there, I saw like a tiny bit of gravel in the second turn. I wasn't too scared, but you know, even on roads like this that look better, you could still have gravel, so it's just good to watch out just all the time, you know. And wheelie. And turn. And wheelie. That would have been a sick combo, man. He's doing a fucking wheelie just to catch up right now. Woo! Yours is fucking nice too. He's checking the... Man, we're like driving literally right by the coast, and it's so freaking beautiful, man. I keep saying it over and over again, but it really is beautiful, man. What else you guys want me to freaking say about this place? Hey, what's up, bro? Yo! Woo! This is so beautiful, boys. You know what's actually funny, guys? If you would see me riding behind him, we're like actually the exact opposite. He's not wearing any motorcycle shoes or pants, which I am. I got the super dope City Rex shoes, and I got my motorcycle pants. But then he's wearing a pretty dope leather jacket, which is definitely for motorcycles. And I'm just wearing a hoodie. And then he's not wearing any gloves, and I'm wearing pretty decent gloves. So, like, we're the exact opposite when it comes to fucking wearing gear, man. I don't know where you're taking me, man. I have not wanted to go here because I haven't found anything super cool. Honestly, I'm grateful, and I can see that we have, like, a really nice road over here. So, it was definitely worth it. You guys can see all the freaking bumps, man. I'm not sure how this footage is gonna look. For those who haven't seen my 2 previous videos, I've said it in both of them. I got ND filters for this camera, and I'm shooting in log, so all this footage is color graded, but, you know, sometimes, you know, you just have like different scenery, different lighting, so it's not always going to be as bright or as perfect. There are going to be some shots that are a little worse, but that's completely fine, man. I'm learning, and they are going to be better, and I'm going to improve and kind of make it all look super freaking nice. Now I understand where you're taking me, man. We're going literally next to the coast right now. That is just so beautiful. I miss this wheelie. I'm sorry, bro. I'll catch this one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I understood that hand gesture, guys. I can't really see the road super well because of the sun. Like, I see the actual road obviously, but I don't see like what's on it, so I'm kind of trusting him that there's no gravel in those turns. And it's also not just to see, guys. You guys can see the freaking mountains in the back. Those are absolutely beautiful too, and I've got a bunch of good pictures and videos of the bike in the background with the mountains. And oh my god, man, it's like straight out of a magazine, at least a few of them. So, like, if you guys want to see all the super nice pictures and all the super nice, like, ultra cinematic reels on Instagram, definitely go check out my Instagram at NotoSquidYT. You want to go? Yeah. Definitely a good idea. What's up? Alright, we're all topped off with gas. The dude even freaking paid for my Red Bull, man. I insisted that, like, I'm gonna pay for it. Like, he's showing me the freaking ways, man. He's showing me everything. He deserves a freaking Red Bull, but he insisted, and, like, he literally, like, spoke to the lady in freaking Croatian and told her that, like, he's paying. Drank our freaking Red Bull, watched the sunset together, like, I don't know, a freaking couple, man. It was a great vibe, though. Honestly, guys, I need to pee, like, super badly, but I'm not gonna tell him, and we should probably really head home kind of quickly because The sun is going to be out for like 5-10 more minutes, and we've got about like 30 to get home. So yeah, the math ain't mathing. I think we're going to ride in the dark over here, which I didn't want. He didn't want it either, because there's usually no lights outside of the villages, but it is what it is. This dude's nuts, man. See, sometimes you can't even throttle out of a freaking corner over here. He was doing a wheelie, I freaking missed it, man. I showed him he can go because I remembered that one turn, but still, I didn't remember how freaking tight it was. I could have, you know, kind of been a little more smoother with the throttle. I was a little choppy on the throttle because I thought the corner is like getting tighter, and it really wasn't, so we were fine, but yeah, it is what it is. Look at that bridge in the back though. That's so beautiful. I got you, bro. I'm not slow. I got this shit. And wheelie. Dude, I can call it, bro. I know what he's doing. Woo! And the guy actually told me that sometimes it is so freaking windy that the wind can like pick up cars and fucking throw them over the freaking bridge. So this spot is actually pretty scary, but you know, it's not that windy today, so we're chilling. Come on, do that wheelie, bro. Yeah, you can go. I don't know these roads, I brake way too hard. That's crazy. That guy was also keeping up with us. What the hell? Let's go, bro. You're freaking crazy. I think it's a little too dark now for the ND filters, but obviously I'm not going to make him stop so I can take them out. So if it is going to be a little too darker from now on, I'm probably not going to use these clips. you were gonna do a fucking stand-up wheelie, bro. Okay, that works too. Yeah, I don't know if he asked me if I want to go for a drink. I don't know what he asked me, but I said yes. So, I don't know. By the way, of course, I'm gonna like thank him for the whole trip, and we might even hang out for a bit right now. Who knows? But yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright, yeah, we're going for a drink, boys. I gotta fucking pay this time. Alright, we're not freaking done, boys. I mean, we are kinda done, but he's gonna freaking introduce me to one of his buddies who owns a Yamaha YZ450 or WZ450. I mean, you know, it's just a Yamaha Supermoto 450. And apparently he's gonna try it out too and do some wheelies. Oh shit. Obviously I had to take my ND filter out because it's way too dark for that. So we're like in pure video mode, which, you know, at least you guys should be able to see what's going on. But obviously we're not gonna get any motion blur, but it is what it is, guys. This road's pretty freaking bumpy though, and I think we're almost here, and obviously I'm not going to be doing any wheelies, but I'll gladly say hi, and I'll probably record a little bit on my phone. And we're alone again, boys. The guy had to freaking go somewhere, and I'm sorry, he told me that he is gonna introduce me to a guy that has a fucking 450 Supermoto, and it was a guy that has a Yamaha MT-07. Either way, it was still super cool to freaking meet him. And there was another like guy on a fucking scooter just going crazy with wheelies. He asked me what time am I going to bed, and I was like, I don't know, probably like midnight or 1 a.m. He's like, alright, well, I'll message you, and maybe we'll go for a ride with the MT-07 guy. We'll see if it works out or not. I'll probably go with him if he'll want to go. On the other hand, though, there's only a few streets that are lit up at night over here, and I don't want to ride the way we rode before this. Either it's going to be a chill ride, and we're just going to go pretty slow, and it's going to be a good video, or we're going to go pretty crazy, like somewhere there or something, and you guys won't be able to see jack shit because it's gonna be freaking pitch black. Either way, I'm super excited. We'll see what happens, and yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notifications, and I'll see you boys again next week. Peace!